Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want your smart bird feeder camera to keep capturing sharp videos and remain safe for visiting birds, regular cleaning is one of the most important maintenance tasks. Over time, bird seed dust, pollen, rain spots, feathers, and droppings can build up on both the feeder and the camera lens. This can reduce video quality, interfere with motion detection, and even attract mold or unwanted pests around the feeding area. Cleaning the feeder the right way not only improves camera performance but also creates a healthier environment for your feathered visitors. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps you can try to clean your smart bird feeder camera safely and properly. 1. Turn off the camera and remove it from the feeder if possible. 2. Empty the old bird seed and brush away loose debris. 3. Wipe the feeder and camera housing with a soft, damp cloth. 4. Clean the camera lens gently using a microfiber cloth. 5. Let every part dry completely before reassembling. 6. Refill with fresh bird seed and test the live view.